Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel a Walmart order, and they end up waiting for delivery of something they didn't even want. Here's the truth no one tells you. Canceling is easy, but only if you act at the right time and in the right place inside the app or website. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel a Walmart order in 2026 step by step, what to do if the cancel button is missing, and how to avoid getting charged or stuck in return mode instead. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one situation where people think the order is canceled, but it actually isn't. Let's start with the fastest method. Walmart. The retail giant Walmart processes orders very quickly. That means timing matters more than anything. If your order is still in processing status, you usually have a short window to cancel it instantly. First, open the Walmart app, or go to the website and log into your account. Go to the account section and tap on Purchase History. This is where all your recent orders are listed. Now find the order you want to cancel and tap on it. If you see a Cancel Items button, you're in luck. Tap it, select the items you don't want, and confirm the cancellation. That's it. You'll usually get a confirmation message and an email right away. But here's where most people get stuck. Sometimes that cancel button is gone, and people think something is wrong with their account. It's not. It just means the order has already moved too far into processing or shipping. Now here's where it gets interesting, because you still have options. If the order is preparing to ship, you may still see a very small cancellation window. Refresh the page a couple of times. Yes. Seriously. Sometimes the status updates slowly, and the cancel option appears again for a few minutes. But if the order has already shipped, you can't cancel it anymore. Instead, you'll need to go for a return once it arrives. In that case, open the order again, select Start a Return, and follow the return instructions. Walmart usually allows easy returns either by mail or in-store depending on the item. Now here's the mistake people make that costs them time. They assume canceling in the app automatically stops everything instantly. But in reality, Walmart's system can already push the order to a warehouse or delivery partner within minutes. That's why acting fast is everything. If you're trying to cancel quickly, here's a smart tip. Keep your app logged in and notifications turned on. Because if Walmart updates your order status, you want to see it immediately. That gives you the best chance to cancel before it ships. And if you used a guest checkout instead of an account, things get a little harder. You'll need to use the order confirmation email to access the order page and try cancellation from there. So let's quickly summarize what you need to remember. Go to Purchase History, open your order, and hit Cancel if the option is there. If it's gone, check if the order is still processing. If it has shipped, switch to a return instead. And most importantly, act fast, because timing is the real key. If this helped you avoid a headache or saved you from a wrong delivery, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this.